Hi everybody, my name is Lily and today we're going to be making red pepper hummus. The reason why I'm making red pepper hummus is because when I'm working with the kids at my daycare, sometimes I want to snack on something that is light and refreshing, but it's also very good for me. I also am trying to eat my celery sticks, and I feel like hummus would be a great way, or at least a great dip for me to use in order to eat celery. So let's get started. So you'll need a can of chickpeas as well as 2 red peppers. Preheat your oven to 450 degrees. After cutting your peppers in half like so, you want to take the seeds and the guts out of the red peppers. You can do this either by your hands or by using your knife, and you want to cut out all of the white guts that are inside. See, I like to call it white guts because it technically is the pepper's guts. So you want to cut them out as much as you can, and then if you want to, you can also use your fingers to take the guts out. Now you want to wash the peppers and all of the seeds that are still inside of them out like so. You want to make sure that there are no seeds inside the pepper, as well as just giving it a second rinse off. See? So clean. Now I'm taking the nicely washed peppers and lining them on a parchment paper. We want to line them up together like so. And they should be uniformed nicely. Now we want to put the peppers in the preheated oven, and we're going to set a timer for 20 minutes. However, I left my peppers in for about an extra 15 minutes. So for me, it was 35 minutes. Now, here are all of our ingredients to make our classic chickpeas. You're going to need 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 can of chickpeas, 14 ounces, a half of a lemon, 3 tablespoons of tahini, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon or 1 teaspoon of pepper, 1 garlic clove, and then you're good to go. So what you're gonna need is a food processor. The other day I tried to use my Ninja Bullet that's there in the back. However, it just wasn't smoothing out the way it would with the food processor. So I highly recommend the food processor. If you don't have one and your only option is a blender, I would just say to just keep an eye on it and add as much oil and water as you need to thin out the hummus. Okay, so let's get started. So what you're gonna add to your food processor is your can of chickpeas. Okay. You are going to then add your 3 tablespoons of tahini. If you don't have tahini, you can always use peanut butter. I feel like the peanut butter is gonna give the hummus a peanut buttery taste, but if you like peanut butter, then that's all good, right? So that's 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons. 3 tablespoons, okay? Next, you're gonna add your garlic clove. You're gonna add your paprika. I like to eye it, but we can say it's 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of pepper, and some people probably like that would sound like a little bit more than a teaspoon though, and about half a teaspoon of salt, just because you don't want to add too much salt. We're gonna add our lemon juice. Remember, just half of a lemon, if anything. I like to cut it and then I'll squeeze it in. If you see any seeds that fall in, just scoop them out. It's not that hard. In the blender it might be a little hard, but in the food processor it's a little more wiggle room. And okay? And then we're gonna add our oil as this blends up. So as this is processing, we add in our oil, okay? It's gonna be a little loud, okay? If you feel like your hummus is a little too thick, you can either add in a little more oil or you can add in some water to smooth it out or thin it out. I think I'm gonna add some more. I think I'm gonna add 3 tablespoons of water actually. There we go. So I have my 3 tablespoons of water. I don't know if you can tell. 3 tablespoons, and I'm gonna turn this on and pour it in as it's grinding up. Now it's starting to look like hummus. I'm about to show y'all. I like to scrape the sides so that all of the seeds can get in there. See, me, like, I don't know what it is about that red pepper, but it gives the hummus a flavor that I just love. Like, regular hummus, like, it's okay. Something about that red pepper though, honey. I don't know. I might put a little more salt, just a touch, a pinch. There we go. I think I'm also gonna add cumin to this. Yeah, definitely some cumin. Right. Scrape the edges again. Oh yeah, that water helped a lot. It smoothed it out a lot. When the red peppers are done, we're gonna I'll show you how to skin them and then put them right into the mixture, okay? Hopefully I don't eat it all before it's done. All right, so I'll see you in a little bit. Oh yes, y'all, look at the charness on the red peppers. They just look so good. This is how your red peppers should look when they come out. So now I'm just gonna take the red peppers off of the parchment paper very, very, very carefully because it is hot. And I am going to just put them into the bowl, okay? So now what I'm going to do is I'm gonna take these. These are hot, be careful. You want to take these off of the parchment paper and just drop them into a container. Woo. See? Woo. Kitty's looking like I didn't know. So you want these to steam in here for about 5 to 10 minutes. While they're steaming, I'm actually gonna go get my laundry and feed my cat, and then we will peel the skin off of the peppers and then put them right into the hummus. Okay, everybody, this is the final step. We have our roasted red peppers. We have our already pre-made classic hummus. Literally, all you do for your roasted roasted red pepper chickpeas, or roasted red pepper hummus. You're gonna take them, literally, boom, boom, boom. You can do them in batches. I feel like we'll do them in batches. Alright guys, and that is how you make roasted red bell pepper hummus. If you made it, let me know what you think, and I'll see you next time.